Want to navigate your embroidery designs like a pro? Today we're going to explore every option in Embrowser's Canvas navigation panel. That's the toolbar along the bottom of your screen that controls zoom, panning, and how your design is displayed. Let's start with zoom controls. You can drag the slider to zoom in and out, and when you want to see your entire design, click the home icon to instantly reset the view so the whole hoop fits on screen. You can also hold the spacebar and drag with your mouse to pan, and use your scroll wheel to zoom without touching any buttons. Next is Zoom to Selected, the target icon. Select one or more shapes and click this button. Embrowser will adjust the view so every selected shape is perfectly framed on screen. Now let's look at the View Options menu, which gives you several toggles. Keyboard Toggle shows on-screen keys like Delete and Shift on the left toolbar. This is especially helpful on touchscreens or devices without a keyboard. Hoop Toggle shows or hides the hoop outline. To change hoop size, go to Settings in the top bar and select Hoop Size. Grid Toggle adds a grid for precise alignment. To change grid units, go to Settings and choose Display Units. 3D Toggle switches between a realistic 3D thread view and a flat 2D outline view of your design. Stitch Points Toggle shows every stitch point for the selected shape, great for fine adjustments. Trim Toggle highlights where your machine will trim between shapes. Player Toggle opens or hides the stitch player so you can watch your design sew out step by step. And that's the Canvas navigation panel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Embrowser tutorials and updates on new embroidery digitizing features.